the broadcast. Welcome everybody listening on podcast land out there in the inter-audio tubes. We've got a few moments. It's 50:35. We're running through on the ESE Mini S&P futures. We have to be in a trade right now. We are in at 50.3675 on the long side here. We are in a forward contract trade. We're switching up from the NASDAQ. Now we're on the ESE Mini S&P futures. S&P futures. We're coming around this area here of the 50.3675. You're up about 100. You're up about 250. If you have 2,000 accounts, you're up $5 billion. Copy trading your 7,000 accounts. You're not up $100. You're up $10 billion. Copy trading. Now we're looking okay here on this one. Let's see if we can get a little extension on this. This was not a bad trade coming up through 50.35. We're at 50.3675, pushing the high of the day. 50.40, we just pushed through 50.40 or 50.4075. We're up about $600 there. What are we going to do? We're going to keep holding it. It just pushed. All right, we just pushed into that. You could actually get out of here if you wanted to, but what are you going to do? Get back in long again? We got 15 minutes and 15 seconds total timing to get this on. We're going to do some entertainment value. If it takes some shock value to get some viewership, we are not afraid to do that. We will smack on pans with spoons and beat the shit out of stuff, break stuff, and make all kinds of loud noises for entertainment value, okay? All right, let's go ahead and keep holding this. It's actually looking pretty tasty here. We're at about 900 buckaroonies on this piece of shit here. We'd want to go short somewhere around here, so we're just trying to give it a little bit of look here. If it goes too damn far, though, we'll go ahead and get out of this piece of shit. This is 4 contracts on the E-mini S&P futures. The daily high now is 50.4150. Don't forget that number. Don't forget that number. All right there, everybody. Appreciate you taking the time and a moment out of your time here to get a little look at some of the things that are going on in this hot debt market today, okay? I'm not afraid to make it a little bit loud and more exciting than usual. We got 50.35. We have busted the 50.35. For some reason, this chart did not have it on there. Oh my God. What are you thinking? Not having the 50.35 on your damn chart? The 50.50. You tell me you're going to have no 50.80 next? Is that what you're telling me? Oh, there we go. Oh, hey. All right, so it's looking all right. Keeps pushing here. You're up about 950. Habaneros. Okay, these are going to be very exciting. Excitement-filled segments when I do 15 minutes and 15 seconds. Gotta keep it interesting. But we are in this trade here. They keep pushing up to this area. The area in question is 50.4150, 50.41 half. Basically, what we're looking at today is this right here. Taking a look on this ESE Mini S&P futures. Some people say it moves too slow. $750 is not enough money in just a few minutes. in 5 minutes. It's not enough money. I want $2,000 in 5 minutes. I want to trade the NASDAQ with 20 accounts, copy trading every damn one of them to max contract size. Okay, is that you? Is there something that we can do about that? Is there something that we can get to the bottom of? Okay, so we're going to see if we're going to stay in this long. I think it's going to work out okay. Looking out all right here. We're at 50-40, much smoother movement than the NASDAQ. There is no damn questioning that. You want to question that? You can question it if you want. The NASDAQ-erie is doing whatever the hell NASDAQ-erie wants to do. Okay, we're going to see if we want to keep this one or not. Looks like we're grabbing some support here at 50.39.25. See that double band there? Well, I mean, you just see it right there. Coming back to this 50.40.75. Just trying to see the stability of this instrument versus some of the other instruments and the stability associated with them. We got that little support there. A little nicer on the structure. Back up here to 50.41.25. We're looking okay there in 50.41.25. 50.41.50 is doing all right as well. Then we got to press back into the day highs. A lot of people get short there and don't know when to get out. So we're pressing through the resistance number 2, going up through the top of the top Bollinger Band. Got resistance number 3 up here. And you're going to say, how did you know how to do that? It's amazing. It's amazing. All right, so I got some problems today. It's one account and you're up 1,000. It takes me 50 accounts to get to 1,000. All right, I'm just goofing around this episode. I'm not going to goof around every single time like this. Enjoy it while you can get it, because you're not going to always enjoy it while the getting's good. Get it while the getting's good. All right, you may want to get out here, but don't hold. We're going to take a look, see if we keep pushing here to the daily highs or not. All right, so we could have got out and got in short. It just wasn't a big enough range for me to really be interested in shorting it. Just to be honest with you, in a most sincere manner, I do take this time to look at things further with you and me looking at ESE Mini S&P. Okay? So now you know where I'm coming from. Now you know where I'm going. And we're going to keep holding this shit, by the way. So we are now in at 50.36.75. You're down here. It's up here. What are you wanting? Something like 50.46.75. That's it. To 50.48. Maybe 50.47.75. To be honest. Oh, it's so slow. Everybody says the E-mini is so slow. It's so slow. It's slow. Well, I don't know why that's an argument in E-mini. It's so slow. Jesus Christ. Get over yourself with the it's so slow. It's so slow. Is it really? I mean, you're up like $1,000 in just a few minutes, and you could have took it off over here. Is that, what do you want, $5,000 in the same amount of time? $20,000, $100,000? Go larger. Go 10 contracts. Go 15 contracts. Go 20. Go 50 contracts. It's so slow. Oh. That's all I hear about E-mini S&P futures, and frankly, I'm tired of hearing it with that damn it's so slow talk. It drives a better speed that you can recognize what it's doing. I mean, is that not what it's all about? All right, so I'm definitely liking this better than the NASDAQ. You got to crack around too much on the NASDAQ. So you're looking at 50, 47, 75 is what we're looking at. Still pushing into daily highs here. Becomes much below, like right here, I'll probably get out and go short. I just don't think it's worth getting short right now. I mean, I could be wrong. I don't think I am. I could be wrong. All right, so we're trying to hold the 50, 42, 75. Right? They're pushing up to 50, 43, 25. Our high was 50, 43, 75. A lot more predictability in terms of levels and movements here on the E-mini S&P futures. All right, so we're out. We took that profit, and then we went in short. Where did we get out profit? 950. Good enough. Now we actually end up making the decision to go short here based on this candle pattern. This could be a mistake. It could be a mistake. Or it may not be a mistake. We don't know. We just know you got to be back in a trade. You got 15 seconds in between them. It could definitely be a mistake, but we'll see. We're getting some flashing patterns here. I don't get to just take that trade and walk away, though. You got 15 seconds in between trades. That's the rule is the rule. You like the rule, you don't like the rule. That's too damn bad. That's the rule is the rule. At 50, 41, 25. Not really wanting to go back in long here. Based on this candle structure, we're trying to see if we get this pull back down, but we don't want to mess around too far either. So we got about a minute 54 left here on this today. We're getting a little further up here than we want. That's a 250. That'd be the max that I'd want to see it come against me right here in this area. Need to come back down into the bottom and maybe hit 50.39.5. If we got time to hit 50.39.5. We may not. We may be out of this for a loss on this second trade. Right? Yeah, buddy. Everybody likes people yelling and screaming, whether you're listening to shock jocks, you're listening to these loudmouth influencers trading shit, or you're going to a Baptist preacher revival. You got to have people yelling or you can't stay interested in the topic. I don't know why. So I'll join in. I don't give a shit. You think I give two shits? The answer is no. I don't give two shits. Right? So we got to get out of here. We got about a few seconds left. We'd like to get this into the green if possible. I mean, can we get it into the green? We got about 10 seconds left. We got to get out. Yeah, I gotta get out of this trade. Boom, that's it. We are $800 up today on that. 15 minutes, we was up 1,000, we was up 11, we was up 12, we was up a lot more money, but we didn't take it, and we got in a trade, and we shouldn't have took the short, but we had to be in a trade. Have a great day.